Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. Alright, in this video I would have made it since last week, but I was so emotional I had to do it today. So last week I lost my funded account. And it's crazy, and it's so crazy to the point where I cried. I literally cried my eyes out. I cried my eyes out. I was so angry. I was mad at myself. I felt like the world should just end. Why am I even here? Because one thing is my whole mind, my whole body, my whole soul was connected to that account. Alright, I was like, this is the account that is going to take me out of that poverty. Like, I won't say out of really poverty, but it will take me out of that brokenness stage. Alright, because I'm so broke, right? So, but I blew the account. I blew the account and I cried. I cried so much that night. I cried my eyes out. But here is the thing. Right now I'm at the point of, should I continue trading or should I just stop trading? Because everything seems like it's not actually working out the way I want it to be. I'm at the point where I'm thinking of either quitting or continuing, because I don't have any money, any money to put in anymore. I don't have money. I don't have any backup funds. And where I'm working, the money is not even up to me to feed, not to talk of putting in to trading. Alright, so if you are watching this video, this might be the last video you ever see from me, or I'm still thinking about it if I should continue posting. Alright, I know every trader always reach the point of quitting, but they never did. But right now I'm also in that point and I'm thinking of quitting, and I'm also going to think about it more if I should continue trading, because right now I'm down emotionally, I'm down mentally, I'm down everything. I'm just so down, right? And at this point I think quitting will be the way, but I'm also thinking if I should quit right now. What should I go? What should I do next? If I should quit right now, what should I do next? Because I don't have any other options, so I'm just going to think about it. But if you're watching this video, I really want to thank you guys for supporting me. I always see the comments you guys do. I always see the likes, the shares and everything. I really appreciate you guys. So keep supporting me. This might be the last video, this might not be the last video. It all depends on my decision, and I'm still going to pray about it. Alright, so if you are also a struggling trader, always put God first, because I remember that night I was crying. I was so emotional. I cried my eyes out. I was crying like a baby, not because of I blew the account. I was mad at myself because I failed. Everything is just so slow on my side. The girl I liked rejected me because she said I'm broke, and she's scared I cannot take care of her. It's crazy. I was so pained. All of those things contributed to why I cried. I'm 23 years old and nothing is actually working out for me. Not like I've not been trying. I've been trying. I've been putting in the work. But it just seems as if the world is not even on my favor. She broke up. She rejected me. Not even broke up. She rejected me when I asked her out. She said no. that I'm too broke, I cannot take care of her. I never even thought of the word that she said to me, the words she said to me. I never thought about it until when I blew my account. Everything just started playing back on my memory. It's crazy when I look around, I see my friends at my age doing so well, and me, I'm just stopped. I cannot boost off 50,000 on my account. The money is coming in, yeah, the money is coming in, but bills are taking it out. Immediately it lands, this bill, that bill, this one, that one. Before you know it, it won't even last up to 1 day. So that is making me not even boast of a certain amount on my account. So I'll think about it if I should continue trading. But yeah, thank you guys for supporting me. This video is just to tell you guys that I just blew my funded account, and it is what it is. And alright, thank you guys, and probably I'll see you guys on the next video if I should decide, or this will just be the last video. Thank you guys for watching.